Hey all, so a quick video on ChatGPT. So if you want to use ChatGPT, you have two ways of using it. Running directly with the import by using this toggle here, or running it individually. So if you want to run it individually, we need to disable the run ChatGPT with imports, and two buttons will appear here, all and selected. So now the next steps are, you come here into the table and you'll see here the toggle to select the ones that you want to run ChatGPT. Also, notice here on the left we have a green icon saying that this listing already has ChatGPT, so you don't need to do it for this ones if you don't want. And then here below we have a couple of examples where we don't have ChatGPT yet, so you can select them. So the next step is if you want to do with manually. So in this case, we selected a couple of them. We would click selected. If you want to run for all, you don't need to use this toggle. You just click the all button. Once it's done, in case you clicked all, so a green icon should appear for all the listings, and for the selected, it will appear for the ones you have selected. Here on the right, don't forget to add the content length for the number of words that you want to add to the description. And if you prefer to run directly with the import, you just leave the toggle on. You decide how many words again you want to do, and you just use the import then later on. So that's it, everyone. This is how you can run ChatGPT with imports at the same time, or by selecting manually if you want to run ChatGPT for all the listings, or if you want only to run for the selected listings. So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions, leaving a comment below, or as usually, send me an email and I will take a look into it. So thanks very much, everyone. So stay tuned for the next video.